The stress-strain curve plotter. From Tensile Test Data calculates material properties from your tensile testing results. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have initial gauge length L0, where you enter the original length of your test specimen between gauge marks in millimeters. For this demonstration, I'm using 50 millimeters. Next is cross-sectional area A0, which is the original cross-sectional area of your specimen in square millimeters. I'll enter 78.5 square millimeters, which corresponds to a 10 millimeter diameter round specimen. After entering these values, click Calculate Stress-Strain Properties. The calculator processes your tensile test data and generates the stress-strain curve along with key material properties. The results display the elastic modulus, showing the material's stiffness in the linear region. You'll see the yield strength, indicating when permanent deformation begins. The ultimate tensile strength represents the maximum stress the material can withstand. The calculator also provides the fracture point and calculates the total elongation percentage. These outputs help engineers evaluate material behavior, compare different materials, and ensure designs meet safety requirements. This tool streamlines the analysis of tensile test data for material characterization. Find the link in the description below.